What up, what up, what up, what up, what's up, my bitches? Okay, day one of recovering. Yeah, this is gonna be my first day of me making the video for GJ again. Hope everything is back to normal. Okay, guys. Yeah. So, let's talk about our GJ here. Yeah. Previous video, as I mentioned, just right above that I just sent earlier. Okay, on the earlier video on Monday or Tuesday, I've mentioned that GJ will likely more they will come and retest to this level of support. Why? And the other thing, the reason that is why the news have confirmed that the war to the Russian and the Ukraine it's ending soon. So all prices for Euro AUD, GJ, GBP AUD, all of my watch list that you guys been trading before, they will come back to the normal price, which is, for example, GJ will come back down to our level of 160. This is the first starting, yeah, 160 to 158, the one that I've mentioned. Okay, if it's so that they're gonna go on a crazy shit, okay, as you guys can see here, here is a pattern, like you can consider as a HNS, yeah, it can consider as a HNS pattern if you guys watch it properly, because we got our what you call that shit, yeah, we got our left shoulder, boom, the spike, and then coming back down, going back up, yeah, it's parallel to the left shoulder and coming back down again. There you go, you got yourself a HNS. That's the first indication that we can see that this is a reversal pattern, and this is gonna be a long drop, whereby if we open on our Fibo here, I'm not surprised, okay, that this shit is gonna go down to level 61 or even 78% here. That is, we're talking about Fibo. If you want to talk about level of SNR and all those shit, this is the first gonna be the level that they will come. See, it's even dropped level 61. It's dropped exactly at this level, which is gonna be the next level of support and resistance, whereby once they entered this, there will be a pullback, a very deep pullback. Okay, the pullback is gonna go and retest again this level of break of market structure here. And why do I say that this is gonna make a big drop beside that level of the news? Okay, let's go down on our H1. Yeah, I've drawn down here that this is a build up. Okay, once the build up happen, most likely and typically after the build up happening, we know that this is level of the liquidity that is gonna, they are waiting for the liquidity to happen for the breakout to go. And yeah, as the setup that I've made yesterday, that I've told you guys, they will come to this level of low risk or medium risk, and then they start to go back down and break the market structure, and they will pull. If you open our Fibo level here, level of 61, okay, my bad, sorry, here it's, you can pull it from here or you can pull it from here. Okay, I'm gonna go with the highest point there because it is most likely and accurate that they retest on level of 61% and then boom, drop all the way down. Also, if you want to take another quick look, we change our this to number 2, so that number 2 is the one they, okay, when you put number 1, they're gonna put on the current level of support and resistance. If you put number 2, like they're gonna show you the level of support and resistance of the yesterday. So yesterday they reached almost the level of the resistance number 1, and the news impact coming on GMT plus 08 at 12 AM today. I'm not sure what was it coming on. Yeah, the news attack, a break all the way down, it pushed down all the crazy shit. This is the first spike because of the USD interest, and yeah, after that the pullback. Okay, so that's why that this trade was a successful trade, but the problem is I was, like I said, I'm still in my recovery. So after I give all the signal of the daily from the daytime, I straight away go back home and sleep. Okay, let's stop with this and let's get it on to our next setup for today, what we can do and what we can find. Yeah, alrighty, let's change this first. So as you can see here that currently right now, this level here, okay, it's gonna be very impossible. Okay, what you can see here, it's another build up. Okay, you can draw it like this, or you can even draw it like this. Okay, but I'm gonna say that this doesn't make sense, so it's gonna be more like this. Okay, they are going to repeat the same shit up here, but it's gonna be slightly more smaller. Okay, why? Because this was a very big range on daily movement. Okay, and this one is a very short range for a continuation for selling. Okay guys, and this is the level of support on our H4 here. Okay, it's most likely whereby they're just gonna go and retest at this level, or they can go back up here on this level before they want to push it back down. So this trade is going to be slightly risky if you wanted to play, if so that the what we call that thing, the volume is too high, they will not even bother to retest up to this level. They will just play around this zone, and then they will go and push it back down. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Level 61, level 78. So I'm gonna tell you guys that this is gonna be the medium risk, okay, which is a 61, and our low risk is gonna be here at 78%. But yeah, it's gonna be like this. Okay, if I put it like this, it'll be very cliche if the price is gonna go down, up, down, up, and then break the market structure, go to level 61, and then only they go back down. That'll be very stupid, but it can go like that. Okay, but only on the time frame of 1 minute until 15 minutes only, that you will see like this kind of pattern. But if you open on H1 or H4, they will make that kind of movement, but they will only leave the wick. Okay, they will not leave the body there. Okay, they will not leave the body there, because why? Here, break of market structure, boom, price drop again. Break of market structure, bearish engulfing. So what is going to happen here on this candle, they will go up, retest low risk or medium risk, and then they will start to push back down again. I want you guys to look at this video, look at this. We are going to have a big impact news, like crazy shit is going to happen. Okay, and that is gonna be on our United Kingdom, which is gonna affect on our GBP pairs, they're gonna affect on our Euro pairs, and that's gonna happen in another another 2 hours time, which is 14. Yeah, it's gonna be at 14 hour GMT 08. Okay guys, so I would really wanted to go an entry for this game. This is gonna be a fucking good game, but we need to be careful on it. Okay, so we're gonna entry for selling again for a continuation, because I don't see any changes of a market reversal or whatsoever. Because why? There's no solid bearish engulfing happening here. Okay, we can say that this is a bearish engulfing, break of market structure, or blah 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 and so on, but retest at the level of break of market structure, it push back down again one more time. So here they're gonna go for another retest. Okay, but then need to remember, we have a solid bearish engulfing, we have a solid bearish engulfing here, so they're gonna go and retest to this level again, and they will go and push it back down again. That is our GJ, and that's the DJ. That is the GJ market update. But like I said, I'm fucking sure that it go all the way back down to level of 156. If it's not today, it's tomorrow. Cheers everyone.